scapegoat, who they never indicted. And ask yourselves about that. The rule of law. Ask yourselves about that, but that's beside the point. So if you believe that the cowboys got mounted up and went riding off on a secret mission, like in Hollywood, and invaded a compound, like in Hollywood, and got away unscathed, like in Hollywood, and then dispensed with the evidence, unlike Hollywood.
Pino. 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 Look on the camera. You are on the camera. Pino is on the camera. Ooh, behind the camera. You filming me, Pino? Is Pino filming me?